Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to Accessibility, then Touch. This puts you directly where BackTap lives. Tap BackTap and pick either double tap or triple tap to begin assigning an action. Make sure your iPhone fits your case. Thick or metallic cases can block the sensor, so remove the case if you want quicker detection. Once done, you'll be ready to assign a function. This step is fast, and it establishes the input the system will respond to. Now choose the action that runs when you tap. Pick from system actions like App Switcher or Take a Screenshot, or tap shortcuts to attach a custom routine. If you need something specific, open the Shortcuts app and build a shortcut. Think, launch home scene, run a playlist, or send a message. After creating it, return to BackTap and assign that shortcut. Make sure to name and run the shortcut once. This verifies the flow and explains why BackTap triggers the exact task. Finish by testing both double and triple taps to confirm consistent response. Use firm, quick gestures near the center of the back. If it misses taps, remove the case, then try again. Cases often change sensitivity. Make sure iOS is up to date, and if needed, restart your iPhone, then toggle BackTap off and back on. If problems persist, recreate the shortcut or reset accessibility settings. This sequence narrows the cause and gets your BackTap reliably executing the actions you assigned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.